Welcome, Rhonda here. Today I'm going to show you how to bake orange roughy. Simple, delicious, and a perfectly healthy meal. I've got a half-pound fillet of orange roughy here. I've got a few sliced lemons, and for the end of the lemon we have left over, I'm going to show you how I'm going to use that. I've got a little bit of thinly sliced onions here. I've got some thinly sliced cabbage and some curls of carrots, and I'll show you how to do that here in a little bit. 1 tablespoon of olive oil and a little bit of salt for seasoning, as well as some fresh cracked black pepper. Let me show you how simple and easy this is to get together. I'm baking the orange roughy in a 13 by 9 inch baking dish. I'm adding the thinly sliced red onions. If you want to use white onions, sweet onions, yellow onions, I'm going to leave that up to you. I'm adding that thinly shredded cabbage along with the ribbons of carrots. And by the way, I'm going to show you how to do this with a carrot and a vegetable peeler. You're going to make these thin little slices of carrots and put them in there. For the olive oil, we're going to add about a teaspoon. Add a little pinch of salt, and you don't need to add salt if you're watching your sodium intake. Add fresh cracked pepper, and we're going to give this a lovely little tossing. This is going to act like a bed underneath our orange roughy. Not necessary to use the vegetables here. You can just mainly cook the orange roughy if that's really what you're looking for. But I love having my orange roughy with these baked little slivers of vegetables. Add your orange roughy on top just like this. And at this point, you want your oven preheating to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to add the remaining of that olive oil. We're just going to rub it in all over that orange roughy fillet. This is going to be fantastic. I'm just going to add just a little bit more right there. Remember the end of that lemon? We're just going to squeeze the juice right here on the top. And I'm saving the other end to squeeze on my freshly baked orange roughy. Add a little bit of salt. You can use Himalayan salt, which I'm using. Any salt will do. It's only optional. And a little fresh grades of fresh cracked pepper. The goal here is not to rob the orange roughy of its deliciously natural flavors. Top this with a few fresh lemons. Cover lightly with foil. Crimp the edges. And this is off to that 400 degree preheated oven on the middle rack for the next 20 to 25 minutes. Use your timer and no peeking. Orange roughy has baked, and I took it out at 20 minutes. I've been keeping my eye on it. You see it steaming. I'm gonna let the steam escape so it won't fog up the camera lens there. And look how fantastic that is. Oh my yums! You can serve this right away. Put it on a plate. I'm going to show you how flaky this orange roughy is. I'm going to turn it around this way and keep it in the pan. I'm not going to add it onto a plate. I'm going to do this very informal. We'll show you how lovely and flaky that is. Oh, and I forgot something. Remember that other half of lemon? I'm just going to squeeze it on the top. That way you're not going to need a whole lot of sodium. You just want to add a little flavor to this fresh orange roughy. And look how fantastic that is. So lovely and flaky. And here's all those fabulous vegetables. They bake just beautifully when they're thinly sliced, and they go excellent with orange roughy. Here we go. What a bite. Wow. A little crunch from the vegetables. The lemon, the carrots give it a little bit of sweetness. The onions also give it a little bit of sweetness. That orange roughy is just loaded with these delicious flavors. Hey you all, if you love orange roughy, you're gonna absolutely love this low-fat, high-protein dish. It's absolutely delicious. I'm Rhonda with Foods 101. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching, and I'll catch you lovely. And look how beautiful that is. Later.